Amaqela amakhulu ombhoxo kweli phondo i-EPRU kunye neBoda Rugby Union ebequbisene kwibala esiteshinile ecawe ngempela-veki. Kulo mdlalo wokuzilolongela, ukhuphiswano lendebe yoMzantsi Afrika i-SA Cup lenza kuqala kulo mgqibelo sishiywe kuye. Kulo mdlalo wokuzilolongela i-EPRU ibethe iBoda ngamanqaku 20-8. Aba baqeqeshi bala maqela amabini bathi le midlalo yokuzilolongela iyabancedisa ekuboneni amaqela abo.
The thing is, about 50% of our players are working. About 10% of them within that 50% are also studying. So we have to give them that opportunity to finish off their studies, and also those that are working. So we are operating on a semi-professional basis, so we can only meet them in the afternoons. But we can't be complaining about that at the end of the day, because they are making time for us as well. We're getting there. Are coming good, man. Are coming well. We are on the right track. We will get where we want to be at the end of the day. So far so good. I'm happy.
Yeah, look, it was definitely not about the results. These warm-up games is to look at the systems that you installed. It's about, how the guys apply the fundamentals under pressure, because training against each other, one another very well. So it's good to have opposition like the Border team today. So we wanted to see our skill set under pressure, and it was tested, not only by Border, but also the conditions out here today. It was quite tough, but it was about character as well. I'm happy with where we are. The injury situation isn't always nice before competition, but we have to dig deep in terms of our depth now.
Baqeqeshi bakwathi bafuna ukunyusa izinga lomdlalo wombhoxo apha eMpuma Kapa.
See, you always want to shoot high, so that's what we're trying to do. We would like to finish. Our target is to finish on the top 4. We have to fight to be there in games like this. When you look at the first half, we were in total control of everything we wanted to do. But unfortunately, we have to give everybody an opportunity so that we understand. We understand which guys we will be starting with. We've seen what we wanted to do here, but at the end of the day, we want to get one of the Eastern Cape teams to play in the Currie Cup, one way or the other. And we would like that to be us.
But there's progress, there's progress. And unions like EP and Border, they always have other challenges, in terms of resources. But we always hang in, and we're resilient enough to stay competitive, So we are really trying to turn things around in the Eastern Province. And so far, there's a happy group of players, and they're enjoying the systems and structures that we put in place.
Isithethi kumasipala eNdlambe uAndile Marasi uthi bengulo masipala bayavuya ukusingatha le midlalo. Uthi le midlalo inefuthe ekuphuhliseni uqoqosho lo masipala.
Singumasipala ndicinga uba you can see the field. Uyayibona indawo le, uyabona abantwana. Kuza abantu from Grahamstown, PE, the surroundings of Sarabatman. As apha begcwele ebaleni. One, the revenue, one, tourism. So this is a destination of no choice, especially if we talk about rugby in the area. So iBoda xa izapha, iEP xa izapha, izisa thina sonke. Endicinga ukuba the sporting world, not only soccer, because abantu abaninzi bathanda associate no soccer kuba ke I'm a member of SAFA. Kodwa if you talk about sport, that's something that builds our community. Okunye izisa irevenue kwindawo ehlala kuyo. Kwabantu bazawulala lapha. BNB might be full, Border might leave here tomorrow or today, but the resources that they brought into the community of Ndlambe, it means a lot to us.
Kwimidlalo yokuqala yendebe yoMzantsi Afrika, i-EPRU iza kuqubisana neFalk eGauteng ze yona iBoda Rugby Union, iVani Amandla neNovavit Reforms eMdantsane kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV. Ndingulinge Gcwabe eCawa.